Hi, Brooke. It's your favorite third and fourth grade teacher, Mrs. Stinson. I have now changed my name to Mrs. Hull. I got married a few years ago, and so now there are not very many kids that say, they can say they had Mrs. Stinson left now. So I am sending you a video message to say congratulations on your graduation. It is a bummer that your senior year has or is ending the way that it is, but it does not define you and it does not minimize the importance of this special time. So I'm happy to give you a little video recording to say congratulations. I put together a few pictures so that you can remember your time with me. It was a privilege for me to be able to teach you for 2 years, and this is my special class that I definitely was looking forward to open houses, and well, I was keeping my fingers crossed because sometimes elementary teachers get forgotten in those invites. So maybe the coronavirus is helping me so I don't have hurt feelings. So no, but I definitely am missing out on graduation and seeing your names. And I love the Instagram decision day to be able to scroll through and find my kids that I got to spend 2 years with. So just to walk you down memory lane, here is when you were in third grade. So I found your picture in the yearbook, and look at those cute ponytails. Here's a picture of some of your friends, which is always so exciting to me that I can remember everybody. So there's Meredith and Aaron and Abby and Ava and Ella. So I saw some of those faces too on the decision day. And then we have fourth grade. So there you are from fourth grade. No more pigtails. Probably wanted to wear your hair down. And here's a little group picture too at lunch. So you and Aaron again, and Abby is there too, and John. So I wonder if everybody is still at Wayzata. I haven't seen some of those faces. And here you are now. So, but I also wanted to put this up to say congratulations and good luck to you at University of Nebraska. And yeah, whatever you decide, that's always a hard question right now because everybody asks like, oh, what are you going to school for? And technically you don't need to know yet. So you've got time. And oh, it got cut off on the bottom. Oh wait, I can move it so that you can see that is me, that I gave you 10 for congratulations. So I'm very proud of you. It's great to see how grown up you are, and I wish you the best of luck. So goodbye, good luck.